We have 5 minutes to make another connection. I'm starting the clock.
We own this place. Uncle Frank gave us this place in his will.
I worked this joint for 32 years, long before your uncle ever showed his drunken ass on this dock. I did the work around here, not your stupid, ugly Uncle Frank. Now you two dicks and your dick ends can go screw off. You got that, dicks?
Listen here, ass monitor, if you think that... Oh my God. Oh. Go.
What the hell are you doing?
I just want to be alone.
You sound like your mother. We ought to be up there, you know? It makes me sick that that family's up there and we're stuck down here next to Ching Chang and Wing Wong. I know for a fact she's broke. You want out of hosting, right? No more entertainment evening. Whatever you want, one of the papers, real journalism. Just get me that mausoleum, whatever it takes. Better comes from you. Negotiate something I like, understand?
What about Grandpa?
What about him?
We've just buried him.
So we'll dig him up. For Christ's sake, Nick, don't make me doubt you already.
I'll call the property manager next week.
Can I get you a new dog, Helen Keller? The owner's standing right in front of your goddamn face. Impress me, Nick. What's your interest in this business? And keep in mind, this is a business.
Yo, I didn't realize this was going to be an interview or something.
It is. Answer the question.
Look, I just want to try something a little different, a little new.
Something new? What's that? Is that code for something?
I just don't know kind of how to say it. It's...
Listen, this isn't the mafia or the SS. No special vocabulary here. When you're out in public, you keep your mouth shut. Amongst us, you say what it is you're really after. Say it!
Now, Gavin showed me this video of this girl.
Understand, I've had enough to fill a school. You're going to have to be more specific.
She's a girl you adopted.
Yeah? Which one?
I'm an innocent agent. I'm here to protect you.
You are protecting me.
What did you inject me with?
It's a marine toxin. I see you believe in God. Another Messiah will be here on Earth very soon. A Messiah created by the machines of man. A Messiah that will guide all of us. This must be the way it was supposed to be.